children, today we are going to learn the wonderful colors in a rainbow. We see a rainbow in the rainy season. Sight of a rainbow in the sky makes us feel happy. These are 7 colors in a rainbow. Let's see which are those colors. Red, orange, yellow.
Red, orange, yellow.
Green, blue, indigo.
Green, blue, indigo.
And violet makes a rainbow.
And violet makes a rainbow.
Let's sing again. Red, orange, yellow.
Red, orange, yellow.
Green, blue, indigo.
Green, blue, indigo.
And violet makes a rainbow.
And violet makes a rainbow.
Children, let's count the colors of a rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Now it's time for some activities. Here you can see some stars of different colors and some different colorful things we have to match them. Yellow, frog. Apple, red. Orange, mangoes. Green, parrot. Blue, van. Grey, rat. Violet, brinjal. Now let's learn the spelling of colors and match them with the given shapes. Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. B-L-U-E, blue. R-E-D, red. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. G-R-E-E-N, green. V-I-O-L-E-T, violet. G-R-E-Y, grey. Children, you have to learn all the spellings. Now let's do conversation practice. See how Meena and Raju are talking.
What color is the parrot? The parrot is green. What color is the sun? The sun is yellow. What color is the rose? The rose is red. What color is the balloon? The balloon is blue. What color is the brinjal? The brinjal is violet.
Children, you should also include such simple sentences in your conversation every day and learn how to talk in English.